Right, nice to see you.
Nice to meet you.
Welcome. Enjoy the day with us.
Yeah.
You've been having a bit of stick from people.
Yeah.
Okay, well meet the girls who've probably been through that as well. Then you can chat to a few of them. Tash is in training, so she's around, so you can speak to her a little bit more.
What position do you play?
Centre mid.
Centre mid, lovely. You score goals from there? Tell you what, have you got your boots with you? Go Jane to get you in the team. Go, get your boots on, come and have a kick around.
Yeah, I'll get you one of the jackets, right?
Did you enjoy the start with the girls?
Yeah, they're all really good. They're just
They're alright. This is a bit surreal at the minute because you're like,
yeah.
do you feel a bit famous?
Yeah.
Do you? This is actually the most attention we've had since, because you've come here, yeah. How long have you been playing for?
5 years.
So how old are you now?
13.
Okay. Majority of these would have started around that time. I was 5. 29 now, so
Really?
yeah, been playing a very long time. 15, 16 year olds over there. So like they're in the setup, so if you keep working hard and it's something you really want to do, more than capable of playing for Wales.
Yeah, I want to play for Wales. I want other girls to like play football as well and be international and like not be criticised by other people. I just want to like inspire young girls to play football as well, and like if it's something you really love and you want to chase it, that's your dream and you go and chase it. Like no matter what the people say about you, not give up because you get criticised. It's obviously really like.
And what does the other teammates think of that?
They're really happy for me and they're like really proud of me for speaking up, and I reckon it's made us a better team, even though we are good, but like it's made us a
You are, oh, okay, you're quite modest then.
yeah, it's made us like strong. Down there, I think her name's Ella.
Yeah, Ella Powell.
Yeah, I follow her on Instagram.
Okay, right. Social
Sorry, that was
media.
a bit irrelevant, but
I've got a little gift for you, if that's right.
yeah.
If you stay with it. Did you manage to see any of our games in the campaign, or did you hear about it? We've done really well. We could have got like to the World Cup, and it's probably the best we've ever done as a Wales football team. And during that campaign, I had a pair of boots that I wore in every single game. And so these got the Wales flag on. I was going to frame them myself, but I thought because of how inspirational you've been over the last few days, I want you to have these boots that mean a lot to me, being the type of person that you are, and hopefully in a few years' time I'll see you playing for the senior team.
Thank you.
You're more than welcome. Thank you for being you. Just keep being you. Don't be scared to not speak up, and I think you've proven that. So my gift to you to say thank you, keep doing what you're doing, is for you. So you can have them. There you go. Hopefully I'll see you in a few years' time.
Well,
Remember me when you get famous, yeah?
no problem.